Yeah.
I'm Louise O'Kelly. I'm the guest curator for Draft's Evening of Performances this year. So this year's Evening of Performances features a whole host of new works from a variety of artists and collectives which really cross over from dance, music, immersive installation to spoken word poetry. So it's really kind of a broad section of what you can expect to experience of performance art today.
We always provide something very interesting for the audiences with quite a big spectrum. Some of the art in the performances tends to be of a very serious nature, and sometimes it's a lot of fun. The audience definitely get involved. There's very much a sense that they're there and they're part of it. It's not just sitting back and watching. It was strange to me that there was very little performance art in London, and so I think we're quite proud of the fact that we sort of instigated a lot of different performers through the evenings that we would put on. We would naturally have some artists that perhaps weren't so well known. Nina Lapalita, who performed the Draft twice and then won the prize at Venice. You know, that's hopefully the kind of thing that we'd like to see more of in the future, is someone who's relatively not known becomes better known because we've encouraged them. Many of the artists come from all over the world to perform for Draft. It's only British based in the sense of where we do the show. I think it's quite important for art to be free. I think getting the widest audience for art is one of the most important things about us putting on shows. Well, many of the people that come to see the shows are students or are people who are studying art in some way, and I think it's important for them to be able to get access to these things free as well. We also are very keen to look at taking some of what we do and moving it to the regions. And I think it's important that art should be open to a bigger, wider audience.